Hi class, welcome to Vegan 101, taught by Dherbs.com. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for notifications on all future content. Most Americans fail to meet their recommended daily intake of vegetables. In fact, only 9% of American adults consume between 2.5 to 3.5 cups of vegetables daily. When you incorporate more vegetables into your diet, you automatically increase your intake of various nutrients. Most people cook vegetables in ways that dramatically reduce their nutritional content. Don't throw away the nutritional benefits of your vegetables with the following cooking mistakes. You overcook your vegetables. A lot of people advocate for raw preparation of your vegetables in order to preserve the most nutrients. The belief is that many nutrients get lost during the cooking process, but whether raw vegetables are better than cooked ones is still up for debate. Overcooking vegetables, however, can decrease their nutritional levels between 15 and 55%. You boil your vegetables. Some people decide to boil their vegetables. This is the quickest way to reduce the nutritional content in your vegetables, especially if they primarily contain water-soluble vitamins. Vitamin C and vitamin B will leach into the water during the cooking process. You're better off roasting, baking, or sautéing your vegetables. You abuse vegetables. What we mean by this is that many people use vegetables as a vehicle for calorie and fat-laden sauces. Incorporating vegetables into your meal doesn't automatically make your food healthy. Blending a zucchini into a sauce that contains cheese, milk, and bacon is not a healthy preparation of zucchini. When you prepare vegetables on their own, they have fewer calories and provide more nutrients. You discard the good parts. Too often do people throw away the healthiest parts of the vegetables. Skin, stalks, and leaves are nutritionally dense, and they sometimes contain nutrients that don't exist in the actual vegetable. The concentration of vitamins also tends to be higher in the parts of the vegetables that people throw out. You char your vegetables. You don't want to burn your vegetables because carcinogens can form on them. One way to avoid charring your vegetables is to put them on the second or top rack of your grill. They won't be exposed to direct fire, but they will retain a smoky flavor. Get the most out of your vegetables by not cooking their nutritional content out. That's all for today, students. Tune in next week for another lesson of Vegan 101, powered by Dherbs.com.